Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to find story drafts on Instagram mobile. If you've saved some stories on Instagram, but didn't post them right away, they go into your story drafts. This is a handy feature that lets you prepare stories in advance and edit or share them later. But keep in mind, drafts don't stay forever, they will automatically expire after the number of days shown on your screen. Once deleted, you can't get them back. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Now, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Next, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Here, select Story from the menu. Now, you'll see an option called Drafts. Tap on it. This is where all your saved story drafts are stored. You'll also see a note reminding you how long they'll remain before being permanently deleted. Now, tap on any story from the list. Here, you'll get the option to share it directly to your story or send it only to your close friends. If you want to make changes before posting, tap on the sticker icon at the top. From here, you can add links, music, text, or stickers to make your story more engaging. Once you're happy with it, just tap share, and your draft will be posted like any other story. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.